Hello students, good morning. Students, today is 30th July 2020. Students, your chapter 6 was going on and the name of the chapter is Social Responsibilities of Business. Social Responsibilities of Business and Business Ethics. Okay, this is your page number 1 of today's class. Students, in the last class I have explained to you about the arguments of social responsibilities. Okay, so now today I will explain to you arguments against social responsibilities. So here you will write, that is the main heading, arguments against social responsibility. Okay, so some are as follows, you can write it. Some are as follows. First heading, violation of profit maximization. Violation of profit maximization objective. Profit maximization objective. Okay, so here you know about the business. The main aim of the business is only relates on the economic motive, to achieve the economic motive to earn the maximum amount of the profit. So on the basis of that type of the profit maximization profit motive, so this is only null and void objective. Okay, the social responsibilities objective is not a basic thing in that type of the profit earning. So you will write it here also. Business is an economic institution, and economic institutions, which exist with the basic aim, of profit maximization, full stop. Profit is necessary for survival and growth, of the business. So assuming social responsibility is against this objective. It means on the basis of the profit maximization, this responsibilities has no objective. Okay, it means profit agar earn karna hai, social responsibilities is against this objective. Okay, now second point, second heading, burden on consumers. Okay, so listen, social responsibilities like pollution control and environmental protection are very costly and often require require huge financial investments without proper returns. Financial investments without proper return. Without proper returns. Full stop. In such circumstances, businessmen would like to pass the burden of social responsibility to consumers in the form of higher prices. It means this is the extra burden on the consumers in the form of higher prices. Okay, it means it will be provided the extra burden to the consumers. Okay, now third heading, lack of social skills. Lack of social skills. Okay, so on the basis of this heading you can write it social responsibilities or first social problems. Social problems are not solved in the way business problems are solved. Business problems are, now students, this is your page number 2, okay, of today's class. Business problems are solved. Full stop. So businessmen, comma, who are good at managing business, comma, may not have the required skills to solve the complex social problems, full stop. Therefore, comma, social problems should be solved by other specialized agencies. It means you know about that the situation. ये जरूरी नहीं जो हमारे बिजनेस के मैनेजमेंट के पर्सन्स अगर मैनेज करने में ईच एंड एवरीथिंग मैनेज करने में कैपेबल हैं, they are fully talented, but it is not possible that persons are also talented to solve the each and every type of the society's problem. Okay, so on the basis of that type of the problem, on the basis of that type of thing, they are unable to solve the problem. So at that time the other specialized agencies can solve such type of the problems of the society. Okay, now last point, fourth point, lack of broad public support. Okay, so here generally public does not like involvement. Public does not like involvement or interference of business in social programs full stop. As a result, business is unable to solve social problems due to lack of confidence and cooperation of people. Okay, it means on the basis of the people, they are not supporting to solve the problem of the society. So at that time, the businessmen are also unable to solve each and every type of the problem, because due to lack of the confidence and cooperation of the people also. Okay, any doubt? If you have any doubt, then you can also ask the query. So students, next main point, reality of social responsibility. Listen students, firstly, you know about that the main motive of the business enterprises is to earn money or to earn profit. Okay, although business is an economic institution, but it has been operated with the basic aim of profit maximization, but it should give due importance to social problems. It means the business can also try to solve the social problem. What is the benefit to solve it to the business? So listen, in order to survive and to build good public image in long time or long run. So when the businessman has solved any type of the problem, or the businessman or the business has donate some amount to solve any type of the problem, so it will be provide the good image of business in the society. So such type of the reason the business solve the social problem. Okay, so here you will write it here, the various factors which have forced and persuaded businessmen to consider their social responsibilities are point number 1, heading number 1 also, threat of public regulation. Okay, so look here, in a democratic country like India, government is expected to take care of welfare of all section of the society. It means government has been providing the facilities for the purpose of the benefits of the society. If any business enterprises operates in a socially undesirable manner, then appropriate action is taken against such enterprises. It means when any type of the organization has not performed their activities for the betterment of the organization, so government can also take the action against such type of the enterprises. So such a threat of public regulation forces businessmen to follow social responsibilities. It means public regulations के कारण ही उन्हें social responsibilities के rule को follow करना पड़ता है. So you will write it here, in a democratic country like India, comma, government is expected to take care of welfare of all sections of society, full stop. If any business enterprise operates in a socially undesirable manner, comma, then appropriate action is taken against such enterprises, full stop. Such a threat, okay, on the basis of that type of the threat, such a threat of public regulation forces businessmen to follow social responsibilities, okay. So this is the reason to follow the regulations, okay. Now next heading from the next page, okay. So please turn over the page. So students, this is your page number 3 of today's class, okay. Now the second heading of reality of social responsibilities is pressure of labor movement, okay. So here you will write, today labor has become far more educated and organized. Labor movements have become very powerful in taking care of interests and welfare of working class, full stop. It has forced the business enterprises to give due regard to the welfare of workers. It means due to the reason of the well-educated workers, the business is born to provide the facilities to the welfare of the societies or welfare of the workers. So students, आज की क्लास में इतना ही. In the next class I will continue this topic, okay, from heading 3rd. Okay students, if you have any doubt in the mean duration, then you can also ask the query, okay.